It's official.
New home.
Welcome to the Boostedboiz. Woo!
I'm ready when you are.
Are we ready?
Speed run. You missed 2 of them.
I could have missed 2.
Oh, that one doesn't open yet.
Wait, we got 2 more.
We got 2 more.
We got 2 more. I gave it a boost. I gave it a boost. What do you think, dude?
Dude, that's so sick.
So sick. Look at this. Look how small your car looks.
I know. Look how big it is. So right now, 3 of the doors don't work correctly.
3.
This one doesn't come up all the way. This one doesn't have any sort of lift on it. It's all manual. It does open, but you have to manually lift it. And then this one needs a new chain. So 8 doors work out of the 11.
But it's ours.
Yep.
But it's ours.
It's ours.
Holy crap. What a sight, too. What a sight. When it's all lit up, oh man, this is gonna be.
Are there outside lights on it yet, or no?
If there's not, we're gonna
Did we
do
look?
It looks like there's one. Yeah, it looks like there are. I don't know where they turn on at.
Find some switches.
This is great.
Have you shown everybody the light switches?
Oh yeah, the waterproof
Light
ones.
Switches? These ones that like
It. Yeah, I showed them in a video.
that make sense in the wash bay.
Yep. These are cool.
Yeah. That's what I keep telling everybody about is those switches. I think they're cool.
They feel cool. Like I like them.
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. We got a home. And it's just like perfect fit for us. Perfect.
Alright, so when you guys get back, I'll have to lift up.
I hope so.
Scrape the weeds and everything.
Yeah, we need to get a lawnmower out here.
My uncle's coming with the tractor.
I already got my Honda right there, so
Yeah, my uncle's got the big old
let's
tractor.
just. I got my Civic.
Do it, bro.
We have an idea.
I got.
Ratchet strap a
We got
lawnmower to
2 lawnmowers parked out front right now.
5 on a horse.
I'll just glue some razor blades to my weight plate. I want to see how if the outside lights work. Oh wait, see this switch was scaring me because it says "don't use" with a whole bunch of X's all over it.
Probably shouldn't use that one.
Well, I mean,
We're gonna have to find out what it does at some point. Oh,
that was very anticlimactic.
it just turned the lights off.
Turn the lights on.
Got the break room where we can cook up some snacks.
This is great.
They're all on.
We got an automatic fire alarm system.
Oh, they took the time clock.
Oh,
They
that's
did.
not cool.
They just took that because
They
that
just
was
took
just
that.
there.
I mean, you guys have already seen one video of this, but we're kind of re-going through it again.
Man, it's
Oh, wait,
ours.
hold on. I don't know why I didn't turn the light on.
Oh, it's all the way down there.
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it has little bells everywhere in the building.
That's probably that fire alarm system, maybe. I don't know.
Yep.
This is Kyle's lock.
Chicken wire for safety.
The one thing he requested of everything we were looking at, he's like, I just want a loft. That's all I really care about. And he got a loft.
I just really wanted a loft.
Now he'll have his Fortnite and his cars. And it's good. The guy's set.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Kyle's Loftus.
That's awesome. You can hang all your shirts.
Oh yeah.
My Street to Track shirt, 1320, Boostedboiz, PFI, you'll just have them all lined up. Sketchy Burt, SB Tuning, Cletus, McFarlane. That just goes on and on and on.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna redo the flooring up here.
Yeah.
Just put some of that, just like that cheap, no, just like that stuff that looks like hardwood that like clips together.
Oh yeah.
You just lay down.
Can you put your bed right here?
You guys could get bunk beds.
I already planned on it.
Yeah, he's gonna
We could get a bunk bed right here.
I was thinking a tiny house outside, but like whatever, this works too.
You guys could be stepbrothers.
Did we just become best friends? What's up, Kim Block? Shitter's full! Kyle's gonna come out of room. Always looking for my toothbrush.
It's like for a freaking, it's like for an elephant.
Vacuum on! I hear it.
It's sucking.
Oh yeah. All right, Brent's detail. Not that powerful.
Oh, let's see if it'll suck
It'd be
your hair.
perfect for like,
No,
it's
take
like
your hat
perfect
off
for
real
exhaust
quick.
though.
Yeah,
Take your hat off.
Dude, your hair is gonna be so gross.
Whatever, man.
Yeah, someone was golfing at the garage door. Look,
Definitely golfing.
look at the little indentation from the golf balls.
Hey, Illuminati, bro. Illuminati. What the hell? There's conspiracy.
Oh, easy. Dude, it took off.
Hold on.
Dude, the only thing that was holding it was there was a bolt.
Yeah, see, it's fine.
This is just like my first shot. Now I can bring my stick back.
The walking
The dyno stick. Yeah, that's my
for
stick
the door,
for the door.
to save the door from coming down on people. This big old wooden just walking stick.
I've had it for years.
It's in
See,
a box truck.
it opens.
It opens.
So that means 9 of the 11 doors work. Well guys, we lost some daylight. It's dark out right now, but we just got the word about a couple hours ago that we have officially closed on the new shop.
Yep.
And we wasted no time just to come over here, hang out. We didn't even bring any of our stuff, but we're officially, we just came over, drove the hatch. Jamie brought the brother-in-law, but we just wanted to come see it. It's officially ours. And I don't even know what to say right now.
This is great.
I have no words.
It
happened.
It's been surreal, so it's like, yeah, it happened. Don't pinch me.
Yeah, it was crazy. I mean, we're obviously.
I can't wait to go to work.
Yeah.
Getting fixed in the building and working on cars like this is going down. Getting that dyno in
it's
here.
Sweet.
Yeah, I get to make that call.
It feels like home already, too.
It does.
It almost feels like we've been here for a while already.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even though we've never
I know.
done anything out of
This
this
is the
place.
first time we've pulled cars in here.
Yeah,
We've never driven anything inside the doors.
That's happened.
the hatch looks good right there.
Already did an e-brake slide, so.
But yeah, we'll probably come over tomorrow as well. Start moving things in here and there.
Yep.
Start showing it around during the day some more. But we just wanted to make a quick video.
Yeah.
Let you guys know that it's official.
Official.
It happened.
Thanks to all of you.
It wouldn't be possible without you guys.
You guys, yeah. This is epic. It's great.
It's awesome. Can't thank you guys enough. Like, yeah.
We got
No
the-
words.
We got the best Boostedboiz fans. Like, I mean, I don't even think they're fans. They're Boostedboiz too. Like they're just epic.
They're just part of the family.
Yep, that's it.
Pretty much. Yeah, this is sweet. So
It's great.
we can officially start moving things in whenever we want.
Yeah.
It's ours.
It's ours. We can stay here.
PFI has a new home.
We have a home.
Brent can finally get a dyno again. You know how long it's been since we've dynoed a car?
Oh my gosh.
On your own dyno?
My own dyno. My roller's gonna go.
You're gonna have to put some WD-40 on it.
Yeah.
No, we saran wrapped it. It's good.
It's a little rough.
Knowing how Brent prepares things, it's probably locked up.
Yeah. I'll get her greased up and rolling.
You can just launch the hatch on it if you want.
Yeah.
Bust it free.
This is gonna
This is
awesome.
gonna be amazing.
Yep.
New chapter.
Fantasy Factory. What better?
Boosted fast.
She definitely needs to be cleaned up.
Oh yeah.
But this is our home.
Yeah, it's ours.
Pressure washer and a motor.
That's where to start. and then dyno, cut the concrete, dyno bathroom, get all that fixed, and then
Lifts.
build my lofts, paint my floors. Woo! I'm pumped.
She dead?
Oh yeah.
It's alright, we've had to push start my hatch several times.
Yeah, we're good at push starting. Most of you young guys don't even know what this is. It's hilarious.
Yeah, I saw a thing and it was like, why does the phone icon like look like that?
Yeah.
On an iPhone?
Yeah. Hello.
Thank you for calling.
Oh, dude. It's like.
Oh, it has sound.
Yeah.
Does it work?
There's no dial tone.
Doot, doot, doot.
But there's an electrical signal coming through.
Oh wait, no, you do that because I was like this in the thing. Oh yeah.
Hold on, switch sides. Switch sides. So it's kind of the same thing.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I'll stand up.
Like it?
Yeah.